Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome to Aurora's bedroom transformation. I'm sitting in here right now. The room is completely empty and the first thing I want to figure out is the flooring. So this carpet is a mess right now and I've rented a rug doctor from Morrison's. I believe it was about $29.99 just to determine if I can resurrect this carpet. If not, I'll have to figure something else out, but that's where we're gonna start. Okay, so I'm trying to figure this out. It says on the bottle to add 60 milliliters to the deep carpet cleaner machine, but it's saying on here to add 150 milliliters. I don't know if you can see it properly, if it's focusing, but I'm just gonna wing it and we'll see if it works or not. I'm gonna move on to painting the walls now. And I know you must be thinking like, why would you clean the floors and then paint the walls? It's kind of like counterproductive. But I didn't really have much faith in that machine, if I'm being honest. I didn't expect it to work the way that it did. I thought I was going to have to pull up the carpet and I didn't want to paint the walls, and then in pulling up the carpet, it ended up scraping the walls. So that's why I cleaned the floors first. But I'm just gonna give the walls a wipe and clean the skirting boards and touch up with white paint around the ceiling before I actually start. Finished. Aurora chose this color and I'm actually really liking how it looks in the room. I ended up doing the skirting boards as well, not intentionally, but it touched there and I was like, okay, I guess that just needs to get painted as well. I have the little heater plugged in because the floors are still a bit damp. I didn't really wait, I just started to paint because my idea was that if paint does get on the floor, which it did, I would have had enough time to just go over the carpet with the rug doctor once more. But yeah, let's start bringing in some of the furniture. Everything, all of her books in her bookcase. This painting is so cute. I got it from the charity shop for £2. I've just realized I'm putting all of this furniture in the room when I should have put the rug down first. Like, I know I was waiting for the carpet to dry a bit more, but now it's fine and the bed and everything is in here. I mean, just making more work for myself really, but I'm just gonna put the rug in now. Okay, so this is the rug. It came from HomeSense. The mattress is here. So I think this is where I'm going to leave the bed. But because the radiator's there, I'm going to get a radiator cover so that Aurora doesn't get burnt when she's twisting and turning during her sleep. So yeah, until then, let's continue. Speaking of HomeSense, this trunk is also from there. I'm going to put her art supplies and those kind of things inside of it and just keep it right here so that she can easily access it. I've also put the books that she reads like right now at the bottom so that she doesn't have to try to get anything from further up.
This is a good some makeup on her cheeks. Done, Mommy?
You're done?
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. It's a new day, and I'm panting because I just walked up the stairs with this box that has in Aurora's chair. So let's get that all set up to see what it's looking like. I thought it was going to be in pieces for me to put together, but it's not. It's whole. That's great. That's amazing, actually.
Mom, why did Mommy's put?
So I made a decision to just spend the money and get the doors. I'm going to put the handles on now. It's a bit uneven at the top, but I have them in the correct holes, so I don't know if there's anything I could really do about that. I'm just going to leave it as it is and put on the handles. This light shade from the charity shop, it was for £4. I thought it was just really cute, but my sister doesn't think it meshes well with the rug. So on Amazon, I ordered another lampshade that I'm going to show to you right now. I'm just going to show you all of the things that I have left to do in the room, and I'm just going to try and get it all done between this evening and tomorrow, because school starts next week and I just want this to be done. Her bed canopy is from Amazon and it came with some lights that you can put on it, but I probably won't put these on until around Christmas. And then I ended up getting these curtains for her off of Amazon as well. Let me show them to you. I'm not mad at these at all. I actually really like them. They kind of remind me of a giant tutu skirt. I think it's really pretty. They're light pink with star cutouts, and then the mesh goes over the front. The only thing I don't like about these curtains are eyelets. I don't really like curtains that have eyelets in them, but I just really wanted to get the makeover done, and these were on Amazon Prime for next day delivery, so I just got them. The reviews were good and they're quite cute. But I don't know what it is about the eyelets. This bedside table was for £7. It has a cute little drawer so that Rory can put her things in there, which she started doing already. And then the table lamp was for £5, and I really like the fact that it doesn't seem like it's easy to be broken. She's still little, so I want to make sure that the room is as safe as it can be for her. Her bedding is here, but as it is a bit late, I won't wash them until tomorrow morning. These are her cushion covers, but these are her little cute duvet sets, fitted sheets and so on. These little hooks, I got them off of Amazon, but they look quite flimsy. They're supposed to be peel and stick. I don't know how they will hold up, but I'll still try them anyway. Here's the pillowcase on the cushion. I also need to hang up her wall decorations. She's got this cute little ballerina. Is it a swan or a flamingo? Something, but it's cute. This mirror I also got from the range. I think it was $8.99, something along those lines. But there was another one I was interested in. It gave more of a princessy royal vibe, but it was just so heavy and I didn't want to risk putting that in Aurora's room. So I went with this one because it was much lighter, and I kind of just want to put it over the bedside table. So that will go against the wall, and then I'll put the mirror above it because it's quite a long one. Oh wait, before I forget, I've got her these curtain ties as well. Really cute, off of Amazon. Came as a set of 2. Then my sister painted this beautiful picture for Aurora. This is absolutely stunning. Like, I'm that sister that's just obsessed with their sister. She's so talented, and I just think this painting is so gorgeous.